How to link Chase Bank to PayPal. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can link Chase Bank into your PayPal account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And basically this works not only with Chase Bank but with any bank you're thinking on. What you must do is go into your PayPal and log in into your account. Once you have made the sign-in process, you must go into your wallet, or there are also buttons in your home page. As you can see, you can add a card or a bank. So I'm going to click there, and here I'm going to link a bank account. With any bank account, what you must do, not only Chase Bank but any other bank, you must place the bank name. In some cases, the Swift code, it depends. Because I'm in a different country, this is asking me for a Swift code. But in your case, it must be just asking for the account type, an account number, and some more data in order to link your bank account to your PayPal. Once you have done that, if you go into your wallet, there you're gonna check the bank has been linked, okay? And your savings number, it's gonna be there, the 4 last digits, it's gonna be there, okay? And the same happens with your credit card. So not worry, it could be done with Chase Bank and any other bank. As you know, you must link a bank and complete the data. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can link Chase Bank to PayPal. Thanks for watching.